Hey guys, it's your girl Tam and I am back from another video. Today we are vlogging and I'm trying to get consistent with this, like for real, because I've just been playing. But today I've got super cute. We're going to, I think it's hot and juicy shrimp. This fit is cute. I've got my Amazon top that I ordered last night that arrived this morning, and then I bought one of those bows. I've got my mom's ponytail, and then where did I get these from? My night trainers. So it's like, you know, it's more or less white and green type of day. But I never done a full face, so I've been learning how to do a full face. And today, those of you who like know me or followed me or like see my videos, you know I only wear eye makeup. So for full face, this is some type of growth. I don't wear full face all the time. I do love my skin, I do love the way I look. But anyway, I'm waiting for my girl to come and pick me up, and then yeah, we'll go. Fun fact, me and my friend were both the late friends out of the friendship group, but she's somehow always later than me, which makes me seem not late or not as late. But today we're ready, and I told her a different time. Like, our table's actually 15 minutes later than she actually thinks, so she probably thinks that she's running late, but she's actually not. Tell me if you have to do that in your friendship groups. Even me, I have to give myself like fake times or fake deadlines so I can be on time. But let me know if you're the on-time friend, the late friend.
A few minutes later.
I told my friend 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. So either she's aware that I gave her a fake time, or she's just running late. But I'm still waiting. So we're here. So once we got there, we had to take pictures, and I looked so good that day. I loved the way I did my makeup. Let's get back into the video. Stay tuned. It's a little bit of gin.
Is it? I wasn't sure, but when I said gin, I was like,
Slush puppy with a bit of fizz. This is our bit. So guys, I got oysters. I'm making Ju try some.
I like it.
I've got some barbecue wings. These look so good.
I'm gonna put this water.
This is nice. Sweet. So I got the seafood mania, and then I got my sauce on the side, and then I got fries. Juliet got mac and cheese. Trying Juliet's mac and cheese. Ooh, stringy. Like a tangy taste. I'm not really a fan. The sauce is in the bag. 2 eggs in mine. Really good. Oh, I forgot I got hot. You got medium.
Is it? Am I hot?
Is it hot? Taste it. No, I'm starting to get a headache.
Headache? Why?
It's so hot. But the egg do not get hot. Even if you like spice, it's mad. It's hot, but I could eat more of it. Like, it's hot, but it's nice hot. I should have got medium. Take the head, hold the body. There we go. Okay. This is snow crab. I've never had snow crab. Heck crab. Someone's got a similar name to me, and every time I hear it,
it sounds like it's coming. I had it earlier as well. Maybe put it in the back.
I've still got a lot of chips. Yeah. Definitely will come back. They basically said it's time to go now. But they said it in a nice way. Like, how was the food? How was the like, okay. So guys, we're just walking back to the car. Don't know where we're going. If not, it's home time. But the night is still young. Whole experience, I want to say a 7 out of 10. The food was amazing, 9 out of 10. Yeah, there was just like little things. Like with seafood, I feel like it's so much easier when you have scissors or something to cut the crab with. So like just those little things that were missed. But other than that, definitely go back. But yeah, great food, good vibes, great music. I was dancing the whole time. So yeah. We headed to Victoria and went to lane 7. Our lane was actually number 7. It's about taking part. And I won. So fantastic. And then we headed to BAM Karaoke Box and I thought it was a little video Vincent. I had the best time. I took the photo. It's honest. Who you are. And if you don't